Alrighty. Let's see if I can get some music into here. Hopefully that's not too loud. Check. Why did you go out there? Huh? Don't go out there. What? Right. They want to bombard Discord too much. Huh. Guess I had another follower. Alright. Let's go here. Should be... Would it be overloaded? Weird. Alright. So. Might be a little washed. Alright. Needed help with... product. I don't think he's seen the thing yet. What is it doing? Weird. Use MyStore support or drop into 3. No. All right. Anyone in chat able to let me know if you can actually read half of this stuff? Or do I need to make it larger? By the way, if you need something for energy-wise and you don't like energy drinks, this stuff. Ah, shoot. W. Really great. The only reason why I'm asking if you can see a lot of this stuff that's in here is because in my OBS, it's very small. For the viewer, and I don't really want to move things around too much. Can I not? Oh, that's right. Does it say my stats? Ugh. So, and normally I don't actually stream with that, with the preview going. So, I don't know if the one person really needs help. What he needs help with? Because, let's see. I think with the products, the first ones I've ever done that I couldn't, add anything from the store, is I think this one, no. Maybe. No, I think it was, my gosh. Oh yeah, it was one of these, the Guardian Dice Towers. As far as I can think. Yeah. And what's his name? Bollanger? I think that's how you say that first part of your name. If you are in chat, please let me know what you need to know on adding products. So, because, so the permalink is technically where people are going to actually see this. Product type, variable, I don't think that really has much. What did it take away? Oh. Takes away the prices. So variable in price, I believe. Which means I think you have to add the whole thing down here for custom attributes or something. I've played around with this thing so much. I haven't played. I tried looking at these. External affiliate product. That means literally affiliated products. Say you've got an Amazon link to something or something like that. I mean, I could do my 10% thing off that I have over Yonder with W, most likely with this, and link W's store. A group product. I believe. I don't know. I'm wondering that one myself. But if you're just doing from STLFLIX to here, or you're any other things that are basic, you would actually go here. And then Guardian Dice Tower, if it's downloadable, which means, of course, gives you access to a file. Virtual. I don't know what the difference would that be, honestly. I think one of the other devs, one of the actual devs in the Discord would have to ask, or you'd have to ask that, what the difference between downloadable and virtual. Then you got your regular price. Then your discounted price, which is, say, I don't know, I think that's probably, you want to do it on sale, so you go schedule it. Because there's no actual sales area. So you have to do it individually, or I think you can do a quick edit. Now, categories, that right there is the exact same. Sorry. I woke up really early this morning. That's the exact same thing as the STLFLIX categories. It would actually be almost beneficial if, you know, if we could add our own to these category products. Because you can't. Like, say this is a dice tower. You can't just put it in category saying dice. Towers. No results found. So I can't just go done. Which sucks. And then you got tags. I believe to add tags, it looks like there's not a limit to how many you can add. So when you add them, you can write them down, or you can pick from here. I don't know. I think I already have controller holder. No. D20, dagger, dice box. You can do this, or if you really want to, mind you, you can type it in. And when you want to, say, you go dice box. Now, what you can do is separate it out with, not with a comma. it would be so much better if it was comma, but it is the the straight line just underneath your backspace. You're so shift and then that one button, and then keep going, and then when you hit enter, oh, I guess this one doesn't do it. Okay. The only reason why I mentioned that is because somewhere down here, where was it? I think it was the custom attributes. Add an attribute? Yeah, values. This right here. Okay. So it's only this. Removed. Okay. So it's only this here that you can do that. I honestly not. The only reason why I never found that out is because I just did these by hitting enter the entire time. So. And then description. Write your own. That's all I can say. Write your own. That's all you can really do is write your own. You want to have it as SEO, search engine optimized, as much as possible. So you take your tags here and you try to put it in here. And any of the devs that might be watching this after I hit stop streaming, please maybe try to have this to where you either separate it out with a comma or that little line thingy. That way it's there. So, and I know there's a lot of people out there, okay, that would like, let me go here. Let's go to this. Or these descriptions to automatically be filled. No. They need to be different. And here's the reason why. If they are all the same, meaning the keywords that are used, titles, whatever have you, okay? If they're the same, you won't be seen very much. So let's say I go to google.com. Let's go. Dice Tower. Okay, you won't be featured on this. Let's go to here, shopping. You probably won't be on this either. Okay. That's how it is. Like, see, there's Wizard Dice Tower, one of STLFLIX's. That is somebody that's on Etsy right now. This one, Looks like it's supposed to be almost like the Raven's Feast, but a little different. Like, and again, this is those SEOs is what put you on here. Let's go. Let's actually put in Guardian Dice Tower. There we go. Look at that. And I think that's not mine. I think this one is. No. Mine are with sense. So, so I mean, you see that, you see it on here. That is where you get your SEO. Okay. Like going here. This person. You are probably in our Discord. Dirk 3D HKA. You have 0 sales, but there you go. Learn more about the item. So, SEO. The thing is that's how you get into here. Is SEO. I would have to do more research about it to try to get my listings to show up here. Like, this isn't even me. Visit Mike's Makerverse. $50. 7 views in the last 24 hours.
Thanks for calling Discover. This is Diego.
Hi, Diego. It's Jennifer Coolidge. You know, I just want to say your cashback match makes me feel so special.
Look at that. Long.
That's great. Doubling the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year is what we do.
Well, I'm doubling everything now.
Long SEO.
Double dipping, double feature,
Okay.
double header, double whammy.
Sure.
You know, basically
this here
everything.
could be changed. Okay. Let's go D&D Dice Tower. Whoops. Dice Tower. Okay. Let's find the first. Hey, I think that one is that 3-tiered. It's on eBay. Next one. I think that one is also STLFLIX on Amazon. Okay. So this is yours. That's what you need to do. Then you got inventory. Stock keeping, if you print a whole bunch of these, you can put SKUs, especially if it's easier for you to manage. Say you get a spreadsheet and keep log. Then you can go into your orders, see that SKU, lower the number. Okay. Enable product stock management. Do that. Stock quantity, low stock threshold. Say you want to put this at 20. Okay. But the low stock threshold, depending on how much you sell in a month, say you sell one a week, put it at 5. Okay. Say you do one a day almost. Set it at like 10, 20. Whatever works for you in your shop. Allow back orders. Well, say you're out. Allow, but notify customer. You can set up as only able to do one in a single order. Say you do a custom item. Custom. Something of Etsy. Say you do this. Okay? That's cheap. Anybody that's seeing this, that's cheap. I mean, that's probably a bottle and a half, if not 2 bottles of resin. But say you're doing this. 1 per order. Meaning that you have this, it technically should cost around $200, honestly. So, I mean, I don't think this guy even is in Etsy. If he is, cool. How's it going? Your stuff's really inexpensive. I might buy a whole bunch of these things. This is for wargaming. Yeah, he's all wargaming. But you may only want to sell one of these per order. That way it's set up so that person can't buy 20 of them and expect each one to get done within what? This guy has it set up for. Well, it's definitely not going to get here by the 12th or the 17th. But yeah, saying that it's going to get done in a week. Even on my printer. Okay. What is it? I mean, unless he's got these printed off. Yeah, unless he's got someone printing these for him, or he has stock. This here would take at least 2 to 3 days, even on my resin printer. I mean, anybody that resin prints knows. Unless he has multiples, which then, yeah, he can probably get it done in 1 day. The tallest tower here, this thing, would only take 8 or so hours, or 9 to 10 hours. But you're not going to want to do a lot of them at once. Okay. So that's where you get the single order. Something that takes you a long time. Say, oh, I don't know if it's going to show up on here. But say you want to do a helmet. Okay? This would take time. A lot of time. Okay? This is only one. I have to print out the back piece here. Print this out. Or, not print it out, but sand it. Sand more of the eyes for it. And then get stuff on the inside. This stuff would take a few weeks. You want to be trying to make a whole bunch of those at the same time? No. And that's where your quantity of one, probably not going to do low stock, allowing back orders just in case a whole bunch of people want. Okay? Letting them know in your description at the very bottom. Here, shipping and tax. Okay. This here, the weight is in kilograms. I'm the US. They don't do kilograms. I have to literally go through and do a Google weight thing, pounds to kilograms, or even ounces to kilograms. Your pick. All right. So that's, and then this is centimeters instead of inches. So again, because I don't use centimeters, I use inches. I do again, and then I try to go to the closest. So I should put this at like 31, 30, 21. Additional time, don't know. You can have it as a little bit of extra additional. But I mean, this, I don't, it doesn't affect too much that I know of. But shipping class, I still haven't figured out shipping class. I don't know what it is. And I've asked the guys to try to make videos of basic things through here. And then you can also override the store's default shipping cost and do, boom, additional cost, quantity, per quantity additional cost, meaning, say, I do, I did it as a flat rate of 10-20 bucks. Do an additional thing of $5 or something. And then do ready to ship, meaning when are you, or how long is it going to be until you print out the label? Do you want it taxable? Want it reduced rate, 0 rate, or standard? Shipping only, none. That's for your normal. If you live in a place like me, you do taxable, standard. That's it. And I believe you can actually fix it up yourself on taxes. I don't know. The other thing is attributes, color, or whatever you want. As you can see here, you can do a thing on this. Let's go to here. So I have these. The reason why I'm doing it in a private site to look at this is because if you are in your store from that link, and give me a moment, I gotta get the kids' food out of the microwave. Okay. Boy. I'm back. So, you wouldn't be able to actually see the certain things. So, go to buy, or actually I was supposed to go here. So, here's that Guardian thing. This is just shipping wise type thing. And I think yeah, no. I'll have to go through there and look at it. That's to calculate shipping. But why is it not in there? Okay, Let's go back into here. For some reason, this is not showing. But it's supposed to. Save attributes. Let's go back here. A refresh. I don't know. That's supposed to come up, but it's not doing it. That's supposed to be, because when you go to add attributes, you do a name for your attribute, and then values. Hey, Andre. I was pretty much online just for Bullinger. I don't know if he's actually in chat. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. See, I haven't played around with this much because I'm like, Let's see. Ah. Okay. Then I actually have to put in stock. Where? Inventory. Oh, yeah. Used for variations. And then I actually have to put in a stock value, which is fine. I knew someone would probably jump in from the team. Yeah. I'm just wanted to help him out. Well, that's weird. Variable. Two. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I kind of didn't see your your message until after I was seeing that new setting, which is fine. I mean, most of the things that I'm going for is giving general things. And hey, this actually would help you out with maybe creating the videos that I talked about. To actually go through these. And whatnot. So, hey, probably would help. Save product. Let's refresh. Out of stock. Why does it say it's out of stock? Do I actually have to put a stock SKU? Because, like, I don't want stock management, especially since I'm more print on demand. And that way, I don't have to think about if I have on hands or from maybe returns or anything. But like for certain things, if I really want to, say they want to get this for like 3 people, you actually have to put a price for each one. Wow. Oh. See, I would have thought that, like, that should be almost an optional thing. This might actually help you, Andre. Because, like, I would think that would be an optional thing and have the section up here as a price-wise to override this, especially if it's a single color. I mean, most filaments are what, 15 to 25 bucks? So depending on your manufacturer for the filaments or even resin, I would almost think that if it's a single color, it would be the same as the main. I mean, that's not too bad. It's yeah. Let's see. Well, so going on about the dice tower here, most of the time anybody's going to probably for cell wise, you can do 2 colors or 3 colors or whatnot in this single print. But because it's an RPG, from my thought process, is I'll print it in single color. So like say, let's go to here. Shop manager, my listings. Put it. There it is. So like it's just one color if they chose. So I'm wondering, and this might be a note that you might take down and see if it's plausible. Otherwise, people can reference this video, or now that I know and people bring it up, I can let them know that they need to do prices for each singular color. Maybe, like I was saying, for variable, put a override that makes all of these the one color. As you pick a color, there's no price difference whether you pick black, orange, white. No price difference. I'm thinking of easeability, if anything. But for now, that's not too bad. I mean, everything's gonna grow, everything's gonna get better. Y'all are working hard enough. So, now, see if that went in. There we go. See, I can see this, set regular prices. And you can automatically do that. And it just updates. I mean, this isn't too bad. But I don't know if anybody is really going to actually notice that. I only noticed it because I was clicking on random things. So I mean, I don't want you to go this far of this. So then it's just gonna look like a knockoff. But having a section that overwrites the variation pricings, like so I can set the prices of each individual one here if I need to, but I do think there should be a main one, if you understand what I'm talking about. So and that's attributes. The other options, product status, simple as those, which is great. Visibility. Not too sure about these. I just kept it as visible, but make it into just like a catalog. That didn't really do much. This dude has a search. Maybe that changes anything. It does! Holy moly! That literally takes it to where it's in a search format. Yep, we don't have a search yet, but that's fine. That's weird. Hopefully anybody else that's watching, don't do that. Don't do that. Maybe do that for really old items or something. Once the search functionality is there. Catalog. Is that just... I mean, that's down here. I understand that. So, learning new things. So much fun. I don't know what the choices of that is. Maybe in the video, definitely talk about what that is. Maybe it's another page that's, let's see. Oh, there's a section. Where? Save it there. Where did I see it? No. Doesn't quick at it. I thought there was something that you could actually put it as something featured. Or I'm just getting confused of another online shop, which I'm probably getting it confused. Yeah, I'm probably getting it confused with a different shop. But that's another thing to do. Instead of having it this at your home, do featured list. Mind you, for featured list, instead of what, like, whatchamacallit, they do it, like my feature list can be like 20 plus. I would almost say do a feature list of maybe 10. I don't know. Maybe 12, making three rows of featured and then going into catalog. I mean, it would work. I know. I give people so many ideas and so many notes. No problem, man, Andre. Take it easy, man. Let's see. So, and then, let's see. Again, on Discord, let me respond with him. Okay. Sorry. I was looking at quite a few things. I was responding to the one guy in Discord and wife text messaged. So so the one guy in Discord, he was getting stuck at the banner, the second banner thing. And again, I know I touched it on my last video, but I wanted to touch it here, is when it says that you need to do your banner again. Come over here, go down to social, type in Facebook, okay? To find this, okay? Let's go into here and just go into Facebook. And trust me, I wish this would just go into facebook.com, but it goes here and creates me another app. Edge is horrible in that. endeavor, but that's fine. And I think I got that one wrong. No, sweet. So when you come into your Facebook, most of the time you are going to you're gonna look for the page, your last frontier, for your store. So for your business, I have Jamala here because that was for my YouTube and Twitch stuff. Sadly, I'm horrible at the YouTube and Twitch stuff because I don't stream daily. I should. But go into your business for your stores or store. Hi, baby girl. What do you need? You need something? Can I finish up here for a bit? Yeah? Okay. You gonna say hi to everybody? Wave? Say hi. You're up there. See, you're right here. Child. Here. Oh, you want your headphones? Here you go. There we go. Gamer girl. You should be my mascot. Yes, your mouse. I have an entire setup just for her. You want the controller? Okay. So, back to what I was saying. So you're here. The best thing to do, click here. Once you're here, I believe it is this. If not, if anything, no, I think it is this. Yeah. Copy this. Put it here. That little banner thing will go away. Missy, don't play with that too much, okay? You're gonna hurt people's ears. You're gonna hurt people's ears. Let me turn this. You need it. You can talk to it like way back here. You don't need it so close to your face. Sorry, everybody. She's the boss when the wife is not here. So, and then you're gonna, then it'll ask for Twitter. Because you'll go up like 15 or something % on that banner thing. You see this right here? Yeah. Look up, right here. Up here. No, look. Here, this camera. Up here. You see where I'm pointing? There. It's up here. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. So, and then it'll ask for a LinkedIn. And what I told one guy, I keep telling people, either use your own, or, I'm sorry for little Missy's stuff, use your own, or create a new one. I created a new one that it's linked with my business email. YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, as I do, and again, when you go to your YouTube thing, you're just going to go to your channel. If you have a YouTube. Instagram. Technically, I post to Instagram on, whatchamacallit? Etsy. But, hey, don't do that. You see this here? You're gonna blow people's eardrums. They are not gonna like it. Yes. Where are you? Yes. Oh. Sorry. The camera's up here. Letters. You want to work on your letters? You. So, if you don't have a YouTube channel, I highly suggest you to do so. Shh. I highly suggest it, because then you can make shorts. And mind you, if you do not have a bamboo printer or a printer that already has a camera to make time lapses, my suggestion is go out, buy a phone. It doesn't have to be as fancy as this one. Just get a smartphone. Or use an old one. Like I said, it doesn't need to be fancy. You were such a brat. And what is it? There's quite a few apps that'll let you do time lapses. You are destroying things. She's the reason why I don't stream very much. But you want this? She wants to play with this thing. The leprechaun thing that I still have to work on. And I don't have the leprechaun for yet. So anybody that's still STLFLIX team, there you go. You can tell she likes it. So yeah, Instagram, whatnot. There's plenty of apps. Go get yourself. I had it somewhere around here, but there's a phone mount and light for those. You don't have to be so loud. Sorry if any of your ears are blown. Sheesh. Everybody's gonna go deaf. Ugh. So, you probably find it at most any Office Depot, Office Max, big chain stores, probably Walmart. And if your area is really old, Kmart, if they're still even around.
Wow!
What do you want? What do you want? Oh, coin? Instagram, I haven't posted this. Flickr, again, that's a thingamajigger. Threads, I'm wanting to say that's Reddit or something. But for the YouTube, plenty of apps to make time lapses. Mounted in front of your thing. If you need to, since if you use Cura, yeah, phone, made me hit it. But if you use Cura, there is a thing to add in a thing for time lapses. You can set it up to where it could be your bed goes all the way forwards, your phone takes a picture, or you can edit the video later of that. I had for a while Octoprint for Android onto this phone. The reason why I use this phone is because it's an S10 Plus with 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte of memory. So I can do all my videos on that. So that will finish off. Everything that I have here, these 4 things, will finish off that banner. You'll pretty much be done. Shipping wise, I have played around with it. I guess Andre is already confirmed. They are working on it. We go back up. Stop the yelling. Jeez.
Yeah.
I think I put it in bug reports. Yeah. So if you are on the Discord, I posted on there just recently, 8 o'clock in the morning, or close to 9. 3 photos. Andre has confirmed what they're doing. So hopefully we'll find out soon. You want down? What? Ugh. Hopefully we'll get this figured out. I really hope. Payment wise, again, just set up your Stripe. Just go ahead and do that. I have Shippo here. I just went back to the API thing. I'm gonna adjust my prices for my whole thing. Not by much. And I'm gonna let Shippo do the shipping. And I guess that one is for down there. For most of us, that are in the US and other places, we don't have to worry about this. Not at all, which is fine. Which is great for us. Don't worry about it. Anything else? I'd say... What's up? You want to take this with you? Okay. Go on. Grab the coins. Grab the coins. Here, let me see the coins. Oops. Grab it. Look at this. Look at this. Come here. Stand up. There you go. Here. Get out this way. Before you can handle it, go. There you go. Go away. Love you. Wait. So, my suggestion is to fill this out as much as possible. If you have a VAT tax number, go ahead and put it here. Bank name, IBAN bank. I don't, because I don't. It's okay. Put it up there. I don't have a VAT number. I don't have anything of this. So I don't do that. And I do show the email in the store. At least it should. I don't know if it does anything else. I guess you have all the links here. And then, what is it? You can set a open and close time. So I guess like you can say Monday through Friday you're open. Like, and this is most likely just for customer service type thing. That's perfectly fine. I'm not gonna set it right now. Like I said, I'm just fiddling around with things. I need to redo my banner to be a lot larger. But the problem is that is huge for a banner, honestly. I think maybe probably here on up, or this should be the banner. Oh, I'd say almost this too, right here. But I'm gonna redo my banner. I like the design of it. I used technically AI, so y'all can be like, AI. I'm sorry, but I haven't gone on top of the mountains lately. At least not for like the skiing area or where the tram is. That would be fun. And I don't want to at this moment. Downtown where the tram is horrible for here. So, orders, you can find all your orders here, sort them and whatnot. Reports. I still would like in the reports of how many people have actually gone into here. I don't know if it's easy or hard to get it with Google Analytics, your own analytics. I don't know. But this right now is good. And as you can see, when I'm hovering over these things, these highlight these little squares. So, gross. That one, net sales amount, number of orders, items purchased. I like this. I'm a numbers guy. I really am. Dashboard. In your dashboard, and any of the guys out there, you don't always need this. You don't always need this. I don't know what any of that is, besides that it's something for Brazil. So I don't know if you can change it for, I don't know, US or whatnot. I mean, I'll probably actually check this out myself, just for the hell of it. Because I want to be compliant with many things out there. Because I want to ship all over. I mean, on Etsy alone, I've shipped as far as Dubai. And then this right here is great for being on the dashboard. Might want to do it bigger. This right here should be at the top. Okay. Anybody out there that's doing sales, you may not agree with me, but me personally, I want this the first thing I see. Because what if you forget what if you don't get the notification for this? You get the orders. So you'll see pending orders or processing them, refunded or on hold. This should be, should be top here. Should take up this entire top row. If not, and it should be a lot bigger, if not, it should be here. Or at least this size on this here. That's where it should be. This size here. The font size, twice if not triple the size. I want these things to be about same size as this or slightly bigger. This here can be way down here as far as I'm concerned. This here can go here. For those in Brazil, this being right here is actually great. What's up, buddy? Oh, you want to try to put it in there? It's this far.
Yeah. Oh.
Oops. Right there. See? That's as far as it should go, okay? For everybody that uses this, that's where it should be. That's you want to know what your balance is, but it should be underneath, or it should be right above this. This should be replaced here. And this should be bigger. The reason being, under my thought process, is if I have to hold a balance into something, when I log in and I see my dashboard, I want to see if that number changed. I want to know if I'm in the red right away. This can be, again, down here somewhere. Reviews, I would like that to be moved up. Say this right here. Double the font size. This, move up. Products of what I have and whatnot. I wouldn't mind if that would go over here. Probably right over here. Or even right up here. Move this down slightly. The main reason for that is if something actually went to, say, my offline ones, I want to know where I want to see them right away. I want to know if there's a pending review type thing. I don't know what that is. I'm wondering if that's like it's just pending on content. I don't know. But, or it's a pending review of customer review or something. I don't know. I still want that up there so that I can automatically see, okay, it's July. I want to go to offline. I want to put my Halloween stuff on right now. I can get there, click on it right away. I can go here. I want the sales this month here to stay, only for the fact that it is, I'm a numbers guy. I love the graph. I want to see it. I want to have it plotted for where it can be. What did I do last year? What did I do this year, this time last year? I want to know. I want to be able to plot it for last week. What do I need to work on? Ooh. Why didn't I get very many sales this week compared to this week last year? That type of thing. Or what changed this year for last year, from last year, so that I got so many of them. That's I'd keep this here. So move orders up, increase the font of this. Move this down here, and it can take up an entire 2 columns. But move it down here. Take this, move it between these. Latest announcements. that can be there, or that can be underneath there. But, because I mean, that's going to give you a, oh, there's an order. I don't want to be bombarded with notifications after notifications. I want to see this. I want to see where everything is. Completed, pending, total. This I will look at afterwards. Because if it's like this, and it's big and bold, I'll probably notice it. This, I don't care for, honestly. I have 11 page views. That's me. It's me! Um... And that's it. That, if anything, if it's not too hard for y'all to do, make this customizable. Say we can put it wherever the hell we want. We can change this all we want. I don't know. Make it easier. Because then people won't have to. You won't. Because something like what I do isn't something what somebody else wants, and it may not be easier for them. They'd be like, "Oh, this doesn't work. Why is this over here? Why is that?" Now they have to get used to it and all this. No, just let us organize these things. I don't know how you do that. Yeah, I know I've made websites before. I can't remember on how to do. Products page. Kinda. I like it. It's simple. You can edit them right here if you need to. The problem with it that I can see, and well, I already see a problem here. This doesn't say what it is besides when you hover over it. Hey! I don't know. I think all this is actually pretty good. You can go all online, in stock. I do want to do custom these, and I'll be right back. Alright. So, wife just got home. I would like to be able to do my own categories. The things that I do, kind of be different in these categories. I mean, you can put them under gadgets, especially for the controller holders. Useful or whatnot. Toys. But a lot of these I don't need. Puzzles and games, maybe. RPG accessories for the towers. But I would like to do custom categories. And maybe be able to pin some of those categories up here. Say, I want the category of Christmas be up here. That way, when I go to my products, and it becomes, what, October? I can go, Christmas stuff. Let's sell now. I know that's usually blasphemy for a lot of people that doing Christmas stuff before Thanksgiving. But in land of retail, you want that, especially for shipping. Or what? December or something? And I want to get ahead on Valentine's. I want to be able to put literally all the holidays that I want up here. Or say, and that way it's a quick thing. Especially if this is how it's gonna be. Yeah, I can put this as a lot of this. But in my mind, it's not gonna register all the time as, oh, I gotta go to RPG accessories. That way I can click, or I have to go all the way down, find Valentine's, or I have to really look and go, oh, there's Christmas. Because 90% of this stuff, look here, Fate of the Fallen controller hold. I want to put it in category. If I didn't take it from STLFLIX, put it in here, I would have to choose the category. And I just want to put it as game accessories. Oh. And then it would lessen the stuff here. As you see, there's only that for the useful prints. But then again, these could be useful. Like this for storing your dice. It's a useful print. And I know why it does this. It's based off of STLFLIX categorization of items. Yeah. And then I was gonna show the guy, I would like more of a confirmation in Discord, if anything, from Andre or Jonatas. Like I said, probably butchered his name. Sorry. more of a confirmation of using the method to go from STLFLIX to here. That way I can definitely go through that. Because as you can see here, I have 2 different things open. I really want to go through that more. And see what happens. So, if y'all are actually watching my videos, thank you very much. Put in either general feedback or whatnot and be like, hey, use this for doing this. I know not very many other people. I highly doubt half of these people are actually going to see it, but they might. But that's if everybody for the Discord is allowed. Because then I would like to talk about it. Oh, that's weird. Just noticed I'm on the platform STL, and the things here isn't popping up. It's weird. Up here, but it's not on the side here. That is weird. Okay, well, me and the family are gonna go to the store. I will see you all later, and if you need, message me on Discord or put something in general, tag me in something. If you need help, if you need me to get onto my computer and screen share in messages of how to do something. A lot of things I'm horrible at explaining through text. I am. I will say I'm better at visual. So some of the other people would probably be able to help you if you just want text. But I will see you all later. Happy printings. And hopefully we'll get more things ironed out. So keep us all notified when changes to the site happen. I think in the Discord, put an update channel or something. So happy printings. Take it easy. And I'll see you next time.